Okay, Lily, you were telling me just before we left why angle 1 and angle 3 are equal to each other. Why are angle 1 and angle 3 equal to each other?
Angle 1, angle 3, they're equal to each other.
Why?
Because angle 5 and angle 8.
No, hang on to that idea. Why are 1 and 3 equal to each other? We stated it earlier, and the rule is actually on this board. Catherine? Because they are vertical angles, and vertical angles are always equal to each other. Okay? So we know that 1 and 3 are equal to each other. Good. Now, what about angle 7? Who was it that I called on for angle 7? Who was it that I called on for angle 7? Helena, thank you. Good, Helena. Here's number 7 right here. What's its measure?
Okay, I think it's 90 degrees.
It is definitely 90 degrees. And the reason is, we know that they said 5 and 6 are complements, so that this is 90 degrees. And 5 and 6 together with 7 make a straight line. That makes it 180. So that means there's 90 degrees left for angle 7. Nice job, okay? Number 8 is right here. What's the measure of number 8? Who did I call on for that? Who was it? Ian? What's the measure of number 8? 35 degrees. Why, Ian? It is vertical from 5, which we know is 35 degrees. So we know that 8 has to be 35 degrees as well. Beautiful, Ian. And who did I call on for angle number 9? Was it Annabelle? Annabelle, what about angle number 9? That's this one right here. It's not 35. Anybody have a suggestion for me? Claire.
Well, I think that it is. Okay, so we know that 8 and 9 make a right angle.
We know that 8 and 9 make a right angle.
If you minus 90 from 35.
You want to minus 90 from 35?
Yeah.
Like this?
Or no, 35.
35 from 90. I gotcha. Like this? What do we get?
90 minus 35. That would be 55.
55 degrees. Beautiful. That looks like 56, and I'm saying 55. Okay? Great job, Claire. Nice job here, guys. This one took a while, but that's okay. All right? Let's look at the next review. Nice. Hang on. Okay? This one says the coordinates of the vertices of a quadrilateral are 0, 0, 3, 3, 5, 4, and 4, negative 2. We're going to get to that in just a second. Okay? This figure slid to the right 7 units and then up 4 units. When you slide a figure, you are translating the figure. Okay, so we've translated it 7 units to the right and 4 units up. Okay? Now, this statement says the coordinates of the vertices, that's the corners, like this, this, and this. The coordinates of the vertices of a quadrilateral are these 4 things. These are the points on the quadrilateral. Okay? We're going to do one of these problems. We're going to do number 4. Okay? And on number 4, I'm going to write down the coordinates of the vertices of this figure. And then we're going to give the coordinates of the vertices after the translation. Okay. 4, negative 2. Good. Now this first one says up 4 units and left 2 units. Let's deal with up first. Lauren, does Y or does X deal with up? Does the Y-axis or the X-axis deal with up? I would too, because it goes straight up and down. That describes how far we go up and down. Now, if I go up, do I want to add to the Y coordinates or do I want to subtract from the Y coordinates, Lauren? I want to add. Now, we have 2 coordinates for every point. Is the Y the first one or is it the second one? I could not have said it better. It's second because X is before Y in the alphabet. All right, let's pick up at the next video.